Alright, we're going to do a bit of a redesign on the rear subframe mount, because that's currently what I have right now, is a piece that goes across the two. It's got some reinforcement, then it goes over to a little plate that's kicked off, a little gusset there, and then to a piece of 3/16 flat wire with some gussets or support tubes going up. But I kind of got a weird feeling that it's going to want to rock and might not be sufficient enough to be strong enough. So what we've done here is, follow me on this, we're going to shove this inside this tube, and then we'll get it to the appropriate height, and then we'll weld it all the way around once everything is out and getting painted, and then, or before paint obviously. We're going to open this up probably almost all the way so we can get a wrench in there, and then we're going to weld a piece of like a flat washer right to here, probably the same thickness, 1/8. And then we made these guys up, which you can slide a bolt on. This is hard to do one-handed. There we go. You see it slides up and down. And then we're going to weld that on the top. If you need to change these bolts, it's no big deal. Did have to lathe the threads down so it fits in there nicely. They both don't look that square. But the sliding measurement's the critical one, and that seems to work fine. And then we'll put that on there. And the reason we're keeping the ability to move this thing over is that, I mean, we've welded on this car so much that I don't think everything's going to be perfect. We might need to slide the whole subframe over, you know, a 1/4 inch, or, well, a 1/4 inch would be big. It's probably closer to 1/8 or something like that. But just so we have that option for later days. And it will give me support for the load, like say I because the weight of the car is on here to the control arm, or to the spindle. But in some ways the weight is on that, but if I were to max everything out, there's going to be a load on the subframe. And yeah, just having a straight up tube and up and down will definitely alleviate that. This will stop any forward and back motion, along with the front mounts there, sure, in there. They're just, again, tacked in as well. But yeah, they're all adjustable. The front ones are with washers, but I can also slide it forward and back a little bit. And yeah, we'll persevere on and carry on recklessly. But yeah, if you got any other ideas of how to do this, I mean, I'd like to just start fresh all over and just get a new subframe and just kind of redo the whole thing and do it a bit better, but that's not really an option anymore, and we kind of trial by fire on this stuff, so we'll keep moving forward. But yeah, I'd like to hear you guys' opinions on this, as this is kind of near the end of this car before it gets everything removed and painted. But yeah, smell you later.